shot, right? Come with me.
Shoot him in the f***ing head!
Incident on record documents real-world police encounters using publicly released records to provide factual context and public awareness. We present this material with respect for those involved and for public awareness. Late on December 9th, 2025, two officers went to the 5700 block of North Washtenaw Avenue to follow up on a report of a stolen vehicle. They encountered Roberto Calvario Jr, who got into a physical struggle with one of the officers while seated in the driver's seat of a dark-colored sedan.
Stop, fucker. Stop. 260 emergency. Stop. Get out. Get off me. Get out. I shot. Oh, man. Oh, my God. Please. Help. Oh, my God.
Where you shot?
Right. In the head, bro.
Squad, let me get an ambulance over here.
Oh, just stay right there. Come with me.
Get on the ground.
Where you shot? Where you get shot, bro?
Espérate. Rip the shirt off.
All right, let's get more units over here to 61 Adam Charlie, 5730 North Washtenaw.
Don't move. You don't have any weapons on you?
Any weapons, bro?
61 Adam.
Hey, you got any weapons for you, bro?
2061 Adam.
No.
On the wristband.
I got it.
All right, we need all units over here to 61 Adam. First one on scene, let us know, 5730 North Washtenaw. 2061 Adam.
201 to another.
Cover.
All right, you guys are taking cover with shots fired at the police or by the police. Shots fired. All right, we got the shots fired. Was it that police or at the police? And who's
You have
down?
to shoot him in the fucking head?
Nobody shot him. Hold on.
Are you fucking kidding me?
come on.
I've seen that shit!
Squad. We need an ambulance. We got him. Shots fired by the police.
Shots fired by the police. Male Hispanic down. We have an ambulance.
Here, stand up.
Do you have to
Squad, we're at
fucking
5721.
like that?
5721 on Washtenaw.
Crazy?
Where's he shot? Where you shot, my man?
Okay, 5721 Washtenaw.
Get out.
5721 Washtenaw.
Hey, does anyone have that tourniquet, that the quick cloud and all that shit? Where you shot, my man?
All right, keep the air clear. Just get on scene, please.
I can't see it though. Squad, you can slow down. We need wash.
You come in, Marco. We didn't copy.
You can slow
You can slow it down. We need Washington clear for the ambulance have them come from Lincoln.
All right, we need Washington clear from the for the ambulance. Come down, Lincoln.
She knows GSW.
Huh? Yes. Hey, stay here.
Wait for me, you guys are fucking crazy, bro!
Stay here.
You guys are crazy!
Why you guys came back? Huh? What you was looking for?
I was just, bro, what the are you talking about?
Huh? It was two. One guy, one ran that way. You know what he was wearing?
Get your fucking hands off of me!
No, you.
Fucking
Hey,
crazy!
can you handcuff? Hey, here, handcuff.
Handcuff me for what?
Handcuff.
I'm a threat to you?
Handcuff. Take it in your car. Sir.
Alright, come hang out in the car.
You got the weapon? You have that weapon with you?
By the police, is there another offender?
Are we looking for anyone else?
Yeah. I don't.
What's direction?
North. No, I don't remember.
Okay.
He was
Male, female.
male. He was male Hispanic.
General clothing.
161 David.
No, he's a blue jeans. I don't remember the time.
Was he armed?
Maybe I gotta recover.
One of the witnesses here said that there was the second offender, a male wearing all black, northbound from this location.
Should I turn my Bible camera?
Yeah, turn it off.
Let's leave it open for the ambulance.
2061 Adam. He was wearing all black, a male about 5'10", wearing all black, and he fled northbound. Possibly a winter jacket.
We got a male, unknown race, about 5'10", possibly in a winter jacket, all black, fled northbound from that location of 5'7".
You got the
Squad, any update on that ambulance?
They're coming. 2061. Seem to not block the way for the ambulance, please.
All right, units on scene at the 10-1. Please do not block the way for the ambulance.
You're alright, my man. Stay in there, man.
Helicopter here, squad.
Breathe.
We'll make the request. We'll get a roller.
Breathe.
Where the fuck did the bullet go into, though?
No, I don't know, man.
2010 first watch, put me on scene.
Got you on scene, Sergeant.
X3 en route.
That's fine.
I'm not sure. We can't see.
Shows current second offender.
That's fine.
I had a late activation.
2422 shows over here.
Circumstances.
That's fine.
2024 short story.
Got you, Tori.
Sergeant. Okay.
We still got you on scene.
Hey, there's a female. There was a female on scene. Can someone get his information from her?
Slow down, Sergeant. We got truck 12 and ambulance 32 should be en route on scene.
Was she in the car too? Yeah. There was a third guy in the car, but he took off running.
2020.
Start.
Yeah, let's get a car, block an intersection of Ardmore and Washtenaw, and then I'll let you know what else we need right now.
All right, we got any takers to block the traffic at Ardmore and Washtenaw? Anyone attending to the scene? 422.
422.
Hey, can you block the traffic at Ardmore and Washtenaw, please?
10-4.
Jesus Christ, this ambulance, man.
Two 499. 499.
Please advise any late cars to not check off. Stay out there to assist the 20 district on whatever they might need.
Units at 24, first 499, do not check off. Stay out in the system.
He jumped out of the back.
Gotcha.
Yeah, we got him.
That's the one you guys discovered?
No, there's another one.
Well,
There's two?
Yeah. The guy in the back left it. Yeah. Well,
second one will be from 2233 out.
with a magazine too.
2010.
Is there in us? Come on, man. This ambulance is not that far.
Yeah, you will CMS for all 30 first leg.
Does anyone else have a whatever the fuck is this called? A glass?
So I think. Anda, güey, ponte la carga la vena, ¿no? What is it boss? Or whatever? Just add it like that. Just add it like that. No, take it.
Calvario was taken to Illinois Masonic Medical Center, where he was pronounced dead. Incident on Record documents real-world police encounters using publicly released records. To see more documented cases and help uncover public records, visit Incident on Record weekly.